Hello everyone. We will continue with skinning our character now. In the last class, we looked at how to create the rig. So the link to the other tutorials will be in the description. So you can check that out if you want to model the lamp and do the rigging. In this class, we were looking at how to do the skinning. So once again, we'll go to object mode. We will select the lamp. I will unfreeze the lamp. I'll select the lamp. Shift select the mesh, the armature, and hit Control P and use automatic weights. All right. So this will bind the mesh. Go to pose mode again, and this will bind the mesh to the armature. Okay. So you can see that now the mesh is um, attached to the armature. However, when I move the head, you can see that the base is moving as well, which is not what we want. All right, and then the bulb and the eyes are not connected. So let us open the bulb, select the bulb. Again, we'll go to object mode, wireframe. We will select the bulb and shift select the head bone. We'll go to pose mode, select this bone and then Control P and we will say bone. Okay, so if I select this, now the bone will be connected as well. So we will do the same thing with the eyes. We will unfreeze the eyes. Click on collection, right click and say select objects. Shift select the bone and Control P bone. So if you go here, now you can see that the eyes and the bulb are all connected to the rig. Now we need to do what is called skinning, all right, or weight painting. What we will do is we will hide all these bones that we don't want to see. So you can go and wireframe, then we'll hide this bone. We don't need this bone. This bone, we don't need it. This bone, we don't need it. All right, and then this one, wireframe. All right, so now we will select, go to object mode, select this mesh, and we will go to weight painting. So if you go to armature, under lamp, there are vertex groups created. So there is a bone base, bone head, bone lower arm, and bone upper arm. Right? So let us look at bone base. Now, if I click on bone base, I want this to be red. That means this bone should affect the base 100%. So we can see that the weight is set at 1 and strength is set at 1. All you have to do is now make all this color and make it red. Okay, and then at the base, all this should be red as well. Alright, so that is the base which will be now all red. Now let us go to bone upper arm or lower arm. and you can see that this one is light blue. We don't want this bone to affect the base at all, so we will say weight is 0, and now we will color this one so you can see that this upper lower arm is not going to affect our base at all. Okay, so we can add or remove weights for the mesh from the bone. So you have to visually look at how things look, and then whatever is grayscale is going to be affected. I'm being a little careful about going too close. And then we can look at upper, and again this should not affect our head at all, so I need to color all my lamp head to blue, so I don't want this bone to affect this head at all. And then I will select the bone head, and this will be now the weight is 100%. You can also see that there's a weight for the brush. I think this is good enough. And now this should be affected 100%. Okay, so that is basically how it works. You can see that it's color coded, so it's quite you have to be careful about what you're painting. Okay, again, I don't want to give any weight to this, so this may take a little bit of patience and practice. I'm doing it very fast to finish up the tutorial, but you can take your time, and then generally it is only going to affect. I have not applied the subdivision, so it is only basically affecting these big vertices. It's not affecting the other vertices. So if you look at this, and then if you go to weight painting, it's only affecting those vertices. Okay, and then now if you go to pose, select the control, go to pose mode. Now if you test your rig, you can see now it is behaving much more predictably. Okay, and that's about it. Now your character is ready to be animated. Everything looks right, and then you can create your animation. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. That helps me keep going and create more content on a daily basis. Thank you.